good morning. Here we are at the top of the mast of the Sabao. My name is Pol Gelpí and I was a student of Frederic Mistral, and I'm very excited to start this project with you because I have to improve my English also, like you. And there is Alba Duran from Terrassa, and she's on the deck of Sabao, and she's helping me to go up. And here we are in Martinique, the West Indies, the Caribbean Sea, and go on. So please ask whatever you want, and we will try to answer your questions, because we would like to improve our English also. Please feel free to correct us and send us your corrections when you are at class. As you know, we are attempting to travel around the world, to circumnavigate the world with this steel boat, and you can see the solar panels, because we are how do you say, we don't need to use the engine or connect the boat to the shore, because we are autosufficient. I don't know if it's correct, but we move with the wind and with the sun. So we are very proud to attempt this circumnavigation. So good luck, and we are looking forward to receive your videos and message. Goodbye.